Hello everyone and welcome to Galaxy 89 Cars. Today I'm bringing you exterior and interior overview and hill climb video of the 2018 Porsche 911 Speedster Concept. Built to commemorate the 70th anniversary of Porsche, the Speedster Concept is mechanically based mainly on a 991.2 GT3 with its chassis and rear-mounted 493 brake horsepower, 4-litre flat 6. The car is fitted with many heritage and motorsport design elements that only eagle-eyed fans will be able to spot, but can be differentiated from a standard 911 by, most noticeably, the double bubble rear cover that houses only a tonneau cover and features 70th anniversary engraving. At the front, there's a central bonnet fuel filler cap and hood pins on either side, 21-inch Fuchs style central locking wheels, classic style Talbot wing mirrors, and subtle vintage Racer S crosses on the headlamp glass. There are also milled aluminium and gold-coated Speedster logos on the B-pillar and interior. Moving inside, we find the black and light brown, or more precisely cognac 356 leather, with carbon bucket seats. The interior here is meant to be very stripped out. At the Festival of Speed, Porsche GT manager Andreas Puninger said that he had the designs for an open-top 911 for some time, but was just looking for an appropriate time to craft them into reality. Let's see it hit the Festival of Speed hill climb.
Speedster Concept.
What do you think about the Speedster Concept? Let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe for all the latest content, and until next time, thanks for watching.